Hear me as I speak straight to your heart, my darling child. Using words of consolation and empowerment, know that you have my undying love and support, and unending empathy during your darkest periods and most difficult situations. Keep in mind that I am by your side, gently guiding you with a fatherly love that never fades. Similar to this video, if you think there is a God, I'm calling on you to completely trust me today and let go of your concerns, and bravely face the future, believing that you are stronger than you think. Able to conquer every challenge in your way, my intentions for you are abundant. Wealth and tranquility intended to provide you hope and a future beyond your imagineering. Don't let the difficulties you encounter or the responsibilities you bear. I am your bulwark, guardian, and mentor in every as you proceed. Seek my guidance and presence in every choice you make. Life, understand that my blessings are present now, not just in the future. Everything around you, waiting for you to notice and accept them, to believe in the abilities I possess granted to you, use them to help others and exalt my name. Your loyalty won't go unappreciated, because I am a gracious God who values each. When you feel uncertain, make an effort on my behalf and get in touch with me. I'll confirm your purpose and ignite your soul with my holy fire, if you concur. Keep in mind that you are not traveling alone. My angels have sent protect you in all that you do. They celebrate your victories and are prepared to give you a hand. The Believers community is there to help you through your struggles, praying for you, loving you as unconditionally as I love you. And I now urge you to lift your eyes to the heavens and declare everlasting your faith in me. Declare your beliefs and share my love with the world. Keeps you going as you face the days ahead. Be courageous, bold, and even though you may face strong obstacles, you already have the win because I am with you now and in the future. Hold fast to your convictions and don't be shaken. The glory that awaits you is more important than the temporary troubles you encounter is eternal, and you're meant to be great not by the standards of the world, but by the I have outlined your divine destiny. Embrace it and keep it near at hand. Heart and proceed with the assurance of someone who is cherished by the Almighty as you travel on. Never forget to practice justice, kindness, and love. Join me for a humble stroll, and you will discover a tranquility that surpasses all understanding. Recognizing and knowing that I'm here to listen when you call out to me in times of need, will respond with wonders and miracles that will astound you and everyone around you. Write $9.99 to demonstrate your faith in Jesus. Go forth in peace, my child. Show courage and powerful, because I'll be at your side no matter where you go. Amen. If you get this message, and forward it to anyone who require to know about my unwavering, let us share the good news that I am God and that I am with you. Love. Constantly proceed unwaveringly, my child, understanding that opportunities to observe my hand at work are threaded throughout each day like a gift. When you navigate each day of your life, keep your heart in sync with my I'm speaking in a quiet moment, among the whispers of the early breeze, of introspection, and through the individuals I put in your path. Pay attention to and be receptive to the ways I express my love and guidance when everything seems too much to handle. Keep in mind that I have conquered the globe. The power I possess is the same power I have bestowed upon you. Overcome anxiety, to overcome obstacles and come out on top. Remaining strong in your faith is the key that opens the door to an endless array of possibilities. Hold it close to your heart, use it sensibly, and watch as I move mountains on your behalf. Be bright, for I am the God of happiness and healing in places where there has been sorrow. Where there has been loss, I provide joy and rejuvenation. Have faith in my timing. As it is ideal, never arrive early or late, and enjoy the trip, even on the steepest of paths. I will always be by your side, encouraging and supporting you. You are meant to be a beacon of hope and light in this world at every turn. A ray of hope for those who are lost. Show them your light. Don't hide it. It shines brightly so that everyone might witness your deeds and praise me in paradise. Your existence is proof of my goodness, a real manifestation of my love and deeds. 10. If you adore Jesus Christ, enjoy the community I have given you, as you are a part of something bigger than yourself. Each individual, each person, is valuable in my eyes. Rely on your faith-filled brothers and sisters, carry your sorrows, and rejoice with you. Triumphs in harmony together. Love is strong, and healing occurs as you carry out your daily activities with an attitude of thankfulness. Gratitude opens doors. Denial gives way to abundance, which transforms what we have into enough and more. Acceptance can transform chaos into order and uncertainty into clarity. Thankfulness transforms a meal into a feast, a house into a home, and a stranger into a friend. Making meaning of the past gives us calm for the present and inspires us to, my child, stay alert tomorrow when the enemy approaches like a roaring lion, seeking whom he may devour. Stand firm in your faith, resist him, and he will flee. The battles you face are not just of flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers in the spiritual realms. Equip yourself daily with my armor, the belt of truth, the breastplate of righteousness, the shoes of peace, the shield of faith, the helmet of salvation, and the sword of the Spirit, which is my word. Type 2:22. If you want blessings in your life, remember. I am not only your God, but also your Father. I cherish you more deeply than you can imagine. My love for you extends beyond the stars, deeper than the oceans, and transcends time itself in me. You are not just a face in the crowd, but a beloved child, known by name, cherished and held dear. So lift up your head, dear, one step forward into each new day with courage and expectation. Know that I am always with you, leading you onward, cheering you on, loving you. Infinitely say with confidence, I am yours and you are mine. And let this truth anchor you in every storm and guide you in every calm. With all of this, go now. Be blessed and live fully in the knowledge that you are never alone, for I, the Lord your God, am with you. Wherever you go, type Amen. If you affirm this truth and carry it in your heart, always continue with assurance, knowing that I have mapped out a path for your life, filled with promise and purpose. Each step you take is ordained by me, designed to bring you closer to the fulfillment of your destiny. Do not fear the unknown, for I am the architect of your future, and my plans are made with infinite wisdom and love in moments of doubt or uncertainty. Remember the promises I have made to you. They are steadfast and unchanging, just as the sun rises each morning without fail. So, too, are my commitments to you, reliable and enduring. Cling to these promises, let them be the anchor for your soul, firm and secure. Type 1111 to show your love to God. You may face trials and tribulations, but they are not meant to weaken you, but to strengthen your faith. Each challenge is an opportunity to demonstrate the depth of your trust in me. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you. Ablaze, embrace the journey, for it is precious. Each day is a canvas, awaiting your unique touch. Fill it with acts of kindness, words of encouragement, and deeds of courage. Share your journey with others, offering hope. Where there is despair, peace. Where there is turmoil, and love. Where there is hatred, be a living testament to my presence in your life as you live out your days. Do so with a spirit of generosity. Give freely and without reservation, for it is in giving that you receive. Remember what you do for the least of these, you do for me. Your acts of kindness are never forgotten. They are recorded in the heavens and will be rewarded. Seek wisdom as you would seek treasure. It is more precious than rubies, and nothing you desire can compare with it. Wisdom will protect you. It will watch over you. Love wisdom, and it will guard you with wisdom. Comes understanding, and with understanding, true peace and joy are found. Type 777. If you want blessings in your life, be patient in the process, for growth and understanding often comes slowly through the steady accumulation of experience and knowledge. Trust in the timing of your life, and do not rush the seasons. Just as a flower does not bloom overnight, neither does the fullness of character allow yourself to unfold naturally under my watchful eyes and nurturing hands. Stay connected to me through prayer and meditation. In the quiet moments, you will find me waiting to speak with you, eager to offer guidance and love. These moments of connection are vital, fortifying your soul and refreshing your spirit. They are your spiritual sustenance, as essential as the air you breathe as you go forth. Remember that you are never alone. My presence encircles you at all times. You are surrounded by my love, cradled in my arms and etched upon my heart. You are precious in my eyes and honored, and I love you. Therefore be bold and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for I, your God, am with you wherever you go. Move forward with confidence, knowing that your steps are secure, your path is clear, and your victory is assured. Say, Amen, to affirm your trust in me, your unwavering belief in my promises, and your readiness to accept my endless blessings. Continue to walk in faith and not by sight. For the realm of the Spirit is where true realities are shaped in this unseen world. I am actively working on your behalf, rearranging circumstances, opening doors, and placing the right opportunities before you trust in these unseen movements. As much as you trust in the dawn that greets you each morning, remember, my child, that growth often comes through discomfort. Embrace the challenges as they come. They are not signs of my absence, but proof of my involvement in refining your character. Like gold tested in fire, your faith, when tested, produces perseverance, and perseverance must finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, lacking nothing. Type Jesus is Lord. Seek joy in the simplicity of everyday life. Find beauty in the ordinary, the smile of a child, the comfort of a warm meal, the tranquility of a sunset. These daily blessings are gifts from me, reminders of my care and attention to detail. In your life, acknowledge them, cherish them, and you will find your heart becomes more attuned to my presence in everything. Let your heart be filled with gratitude, a thankful heart.